Okay, we've got a property, 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo at Hidden Lake Village that I'm going to show you today. As you drive in, you may notice that the driveways are tore up in some spots. They're putting down brand new driveways and it's not completed yet. As you saw, there's tennis courts, there's a pool, and let's go see the unit. Tuttle and Fruitville area in Sarasota. You can see the paint is good. Tile floors. One main room, kitchen, living room, combination. We have an enclosed back patio that goes out to a nice lawn area. We've got private storage indoors. Microwave, dishwasher, range, refrigerator, plenty of cabinets. Two closets. So one to walk in. So there you go, Hidden Lake Village, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, condominium. Nice complex. Contact Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee. God bless.